on top of lighthouse and two boats. A man on top of a lighthouse observes two boats. Given, the height of the lighthouse is 100 meters. The angles of depression of the boats are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. The angle between the plane of sight for the two boats is 30 degrees. Find the distance between the boats. Solution. Let the two boats be represented by A and B. We label the lighthouse as CD, where C is the bottom and D is the top of the lighthouse. Thus, the angle of depression of boat A is 60 degrees, and the angle of depression of boat B is 30 degrees. The angle between triangle ACD and triangle BCD is 30 degrees. Approach. Find the distance of boat A from the lighthouse, that is AC. Find the distance of boat B from the lighthouse, that is BC. Since we know the angle between AC and BC, we can apply the cosine rule and find the distance between the two boats, that is AB. First, let us find the distance of boat A from the bottom of the lighthouse. Consider triangle ACD. It is right-angled at C. Angle CAD is equal to the angle of depression of A from D. Alternate angles on transversal between two parallel lines. We can apply the tangent ratio to determine AC. Tan angle CAD equals opposite side over adjacent side equals DC over AC. Substituting the values, we get. Now, substituting tan 60 degrees equals √3, we get. Rearranging the term, we get AC equals 100 over √3. Therefore, AC is equal to 57,74 meters. Now, let us find the distance of boat B from the bottom of the lighthouse. Consider triangle BCD. It is right-angled at C. Angle CBD is equal to the angle of depression of B from D. Alternate angles on transversal between two parallel lines. We can apply the tangent ratio to determine BC. Tan angle CBD equals opposite side over adjacent side equals DC over BC. Substituting the values, we get. Substituting tan 30 degrees equals 1 over √3, we get. Rearranging the terms, we get. Therefore, BC equals 173,21 meters. Now, let us find the distance between boats A and B. Consider triangle ABC. In this triangle, we can apply the cosine rule to find AB. Recall the cosine rule. Here, angle C is 30 degrees. AC is equal to 57,74 meters. BC is equal to 173,21 meters. Substituting the values. AB square equals. Substituting cos 30 degrees equals √3 over 2, we get AB square equals. Therefore, AB equals 126,54 meters. Thus, we have calculated the distance between the boats.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you, and let the math finally start mathing.